Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we have a fun project. We are going to install some Touratech racks and Touratech side cases for my R1200GS. Keep in mind these videos are sponsored by Pacific Motorcycle Tours, so please give us a visit at www.pacmototours.com. Also, if you like these videos, please click like, and better yet, would love to have you subscribe. Okay, so I have downloaded and printed the Touratech installation guide. I have all my things here. These are the Touratech Zega Pro cases. I have here the racks that we're going to mount. Of course, I'm going to take off these Vario side cases. I've got them for sale on eBay right now, so hopefully they're gone in a week. Let's have fun and go get started. Start by removing both of these cases. All right, we will take the rear seat off. So we have access to these 4 T40 bolts, so we can take out the Vario adapters and put in the Touratech ones. Okay, with the T40, we will remove all of these. Okay, I've got all 4 screws out, and now we're going to remove all of these. Okay. Okay, there's 2 pieces here. The long one comes up here in the front, the short one goes in the back. So this one will just slide into place. This one's a bit of a tight fit, but goes in just fine. Same on this side. It's gonna be a tight fit. Just my rubber hammer. Tap that into place. All right, now that I've loosened up this bracket, I actually took the bolt off the bottom one. You may wonder why I have this zip tie here. It's just so my riding pants don't get caught on this loop, which I've had happen before. So, all right, so we're gonna position this in here and just slide it in. Make sure I've got that down right. Okay. Things hand tight to start with. Now you don't want to tighten everything down until it's all positioned into place. So I'm just hand tightening these right now, and we've got to put our crossbar as well, and then we'll work on tightening everything down and torquing it all to spec. As I'm looking more closely at this auxiliary power outlet, it's not really in a good spot, so I'm going to move this power outlet to this spot right here. So I'll take care of that and then come right back. Okay, so I relocated this auxiliary power one down. I've got the shim inside here as well. The mounting bracket, everything's nice and loose. So we will install the other side and then the crossbar and then work on tightening things down. All right, off to the other side, I have a T40L wrench because I've got some very tight spaces in here to work with. So we will start by removing this screw right here. Oh boy, that's tight. Whoever put that on last put it on very tight. I think I'm going to have to take off the muffler to get to these two bolts because it's on so tight I can't wrench it off with my L wrench. Okay, muffler's off. Now I have easy access to these two, so let's loosen those up just enough so that I can get the rack in and the shim in. Okay, that should be good. All right, here's this little shim piece we're going to put over here. So that just slides in there. That makes sure this is the same height when the rack goes in on this side. Okay, time for the rack. So we're going to slide this right into that little opening there. Make sure it wiggles in. I've got those spots there, so we will just, again, hand tighten these little guys. Okay, it's all in there. I'm going to tighten this up and put the exhaust back on before we proceed with the crossbar. These rear foot rest mounting plate gets torqued at 20 Newton meters. So let's torque these in here. Okay, that's torqued down. By the way, these are torqued at 19, so while I have this out, I'm going to go ahead and torque these in. I'll install the exhaust. I'm not going to show you that because it really shouldn't be part of this project. These bolts were just on so tight I had to get the exhaust off to get to it. Put the exhaust back on and we'll get to finishing up the rack. Last step is to put in our crossbar. So obviously the long side is going to go on this side. It mounts to the inside of this rack. I'm just going to get this one started here. Okay, now we need to tighten and torque everything down. So these right here get tightened and or torqued to 23 Newton meters. These right here are 9.7. So we'll go through the process of tightening and torquing now. Okay, 9.7 again. There we go. All right, and these side bolts get torqued to 23. So let me set that. Because it's a tight fit, I've got my little knuckle piece here, so I'm going to use that. Okay, I got it. Now same on the other side. All right, so okay, we got that one. And oh, actually, this one fits over here on this side. Oh, look at that. All right, we are all torqued down. Now it's time to put the side cases on. Okay, now it's time to put this on. We will slide the two bottom ones over the rack here. Slide them in, loosen this up and turn those pieces and then tighten it down. Okay. Another one, and the other side. Okay, let's go do the other side. All right, the other side box, we will mount it down in here. Get these in place. All right. Okay, there we go. Pretty easy project. Again, glad to have my used but new to me Zega Pro side cases, and look forward to going out for a ride. So come visit us at packmototours.com. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.